Look at this picture.
Look at this picture.
Speak loudly and clearly.
Speak loudly and clearly.
I am finished with my work.
I am finished with my work.
Take out your books.
Take out your books.
Please wait for your turn.
Please wait for your turn.
Don't run in the class.
Don't run in the class.
Clean your desk.
Clean your desk.
Let's start the lesson.
Let's start the lesson.
Draw a circle.
Draw a circle.
Color the picture.
Color the picture.
Answer in full sentences.
Answer in full sentences.
Don't talk in class.
Don't talk in class.
Check your spelling.
Check your spelling.
Stand in line.
Stand in line.
I made a mistake.
I made a mistake.
Please submit your work.
Please submit your work.
Come here, please.
Come here, please.
Turn to page 10.
Turn to page 10.
Class is over.
Class is over.
Please sit properly.
Please sit properly.
May I come in?
May I come in?
Write the name on the paper.
Write the name on the paper.
Please open your book.
Please open your book.
May I go to the washroom?
May I go to the washroom?
Listen carefully, please.
Listen carefully, please.
I don't understand this question.
I don't understand this question.
Write the answer on the board.
Write the answer on the board.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Please repeat after me.
Please repeat after me.
I forgot my homework.
I forgot my homework.
Sit down quietly.
Sit down quietly.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Open your notebooks.
Open your notebooks.
Raise your hand to answer.
Raise your hand to answer.
This answer is correct.
This answer is correct.
Please be quiet.
Please be quiet.
I am ready to read.
I am ready to read.
Close the door, please.
Close the door, please.
Work in pair.
Work in pair.
Look at the board.
Look at the board.
I need more time.
I need more time.
Very good job.
Very good job.
May I sharpen my pencil?
May I sharpen my pencil?
Read this sentence aloud.
Read this sentence aloud.
Bring your notebook tomorrow.
Bring your notebook tomorrow.
Keep your desk clean.
Keep your desk clean.
I like this activity.
I like this activity.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening.
Please take your seat.
Please take your seat.
Do your work neatly.
Do your work neatly.
May I answer the question?
May I answer the question?
Look at the number 1.
Look at the number 1.
Stop talking now.
Stop talking now.
Read the instructions carefully.
Read the instructions carefully.
Keep your books open.
Keep your books open.
Sit in your place.
Sit in your place.
Read page 5.
Read page 5.
I am listening.
I am listening.
Follow the rules.
Follow the rules.
Wait quietly.
Wait quietly.
Use a blue pen.
Use a blue pen.
Count the numbers.
Count the numbers.
Match the pictures.
Match the pictures.
Say the word again.
Say the word again.
Put your hand down.
Put your hand down.
Turn around and listen.
Turn around and listen.
Erase the board.
Erase the board.
Circle the right word.
Circle the right word.
Don't forget your homework.
Don't forget your homework.
Write neatly.
Write neatly.
Point to the correct answer.
Point to the correct answer.
Listen to the audio.
Listen to the audio.
Put your bag under the desk.
Put your bag under the desk.
Share your book.
Share your book.
I need a pencil.
I need a pencil.
Please line up.
Please line up.
Read quietly.
Read quietly.